Hey guys.
Hello everyone. Mandy, how are you?
I'm a little disturbed.
Disturbed. Okay.
Just a little. Okay, so I was watching this social media video that's gone viral of a lady at a hotel guest,
Okay.
sitting at the steps of the pool,
Okay.
shaving her legs
Like in the pool?
the hotel pool.
Oh. Were there people around?
Lots
And
of them.
she was just like, shave her in there.
Shaving cream, like dipping the razor in the water. And
Oh, that is so gross.
Made me
Because
never
you're
wanna
like
sit-
swimming. Could you imagine if you're like underwater and you come up to like,
Oh,
and then you have like all
the
these
shaving cream and the hair.
There's something in my eyes. It's someone's hair. Oh, gross.
In the pool.
That's a bottle of yuck, guys.
That's just a bottle of yuck. But people do weird things in public.
I heard that, in certain cities, you can find people clipping their toenails on a train and just leaving them on the seats. Could you imagine you're just sitting and it's like, what is this? What is this crud? Oh, it's someone's toenails. Yum.
When I was in college, to get to my morning classes, I lived about an hour away from where I went to school.
Yeah.
I'd get on the bus at 5:30 in the morning.
Oh, that's early.
Yes. So one morning, I was sitting in my seat, like reading my textbook, getting ready for a test, whatever, and the buddy beside me, all of a sudden,
That was so cute.
his head is like on my shoulder, and
Like a stranger?
like a full-out
I wonder if he was really
stranger.
asleep or he was just like, hey.
I don't know, I kind of gave the shoulder nudge because he was sleeping. Sometimes that's enough, like the
No? Nothing?
Nope, he was out of it. I'm like,
Maybe he
whatever.
wasn't sleeping. Maybe,
I was like,
maybe he
what?
was just creeping you. He was like, oh, she's
No,
cute.
he was hardcore, like asleep. He was out of it. And I'm like,
Sure.
I'm like, buddy's tired. He's not hurting it.
You let him sleep
I
on
let
you?
him sleep
Oh,
on
that's
me.
too nice. You don't let strangers sleep on you. That's not right.
I let him sleep
That's-
right there.
that's
It was
too
only
nice.
about 10 minutes, and then he actually did
You
kind
wake
of
him
wake
up, you say,
and
go
move.
get yourself a bed. Do I look like a mattress?
There was nowhere else to go sit. The bus was full. I was like,
You
I'm not going to
nudged that
stand
guy.
up.
You
I
give
did.
him
I did
An
one
elbow.
of those.
No, you nudge harder. Yeah, you nudge harder. That's what you do. You
I'm gonna
gotta
nudge you
have
harder.
You gotta have more like oomph or something. Willpower. I don't know what it is, but you're missing something.
Speaking of power, we're going to start off today's show by checking in with Tammy Tyson. She's got some great fitness tips for us today.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.